We talk about Brenda Bia. Brenda Bia sometime, it be started make some kind of picture the way we see the kiss woman then. And then after, it talk say, he like in a woman. Say na woman we like her. And then French newspaper, them they started talking, oh, first president for Cameroon, he picking, he don't even lesbian, he follow a woman now, see him, now this and that. I be talk that you say they say they don't give that girl money, me do promotion for that woman thing, and then man picking thing. Man picking what they? I go be follow man picking. Hey! Oi! Woman? Ha! No, you know that for the way sweet rich woman. And normal woman will tell you, say, no, you know that for the way sweet rich man picking. No, nothing. After man picking for woman, na money. So I know tell you say na money before woman, but that man na enjoyment. Because they go work money na for enjoyment. So enjoyment pass before money. Therefore, women picking. That enjoyment, it pass muru no. But muru de necessary. So Brenda Biana, he don't do another video. He talks say, he dey na so from Brocot. Say na Brocot we like her now. He make the video. He talk for the video. Say, hi Brocot oh Brocot. So Brocot na fine thing. Say when you get farm Brocot, so when you test farm Brocot, the Brocot they make the thing the waka. Say it make your head the turn some kind of way. Say you don't know it. You don't lost plenty. You don't lost. The palava way we go give me that kind of thing. So you lost because Brocot na the best thing way if it happen for a woman. He like say they appreciate Brocot. Say na fine thing. So you believe plenty. You go give fine a beans, You get plenty before you chop before you flop now. Now plenty and beans they go together. No be beans and beans. And no be plenty and plenty. Even nature say no one time now. Plenty with plenty. It will explode. Beans and beans. But beans and plenty. When you chop beans and plenty. Oh. I hope so. My you were the look me now. You don't already test no beans and plenty. Now it's bad. I'm saying the chop by the ear. I'm saying the ear they chop for your ear. You feed the thing for your body. Now so a day with man picking a woman. Man picking a woman. Man picking a plenty. Woman and beans. So beans and beans now woman. Plenty and plenty now man picking. So Brenda don't talk say now each day for palaba plenty. For where you go to use them for with the beans. Now so the thing a day.